Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial when I'm going to show you how you can deposit check on phone TD Bank. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step and don't miss any step. So first up, head over to the TD Bank and in the main home menu you're going to see at the top it says deposit check, and that is exactly what we're going to click on. After that you're going to click on register, then accept all of the terms. After that it's going to say that welcome to your mobile deposit, you have successfully registered after you've done everything. So now we're going to click on the deposit check option because that is what we want to do. From there you're going to select the to account, like from which account you want to deposit, and then you're going to put in the amount, like what is the amount of money that you want to deposit. After that it's going to ask you to take photos. So at first you're going to select the front or the back, whichever part you want to take first. So let's say we click on front, and then we're going to take the picture of the front of the check, and then we're going to click on back, and then we're going to take the picture of the back of the check. After we've done everything, we're going to click on finish deposit, and then a thank you page should come up, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.